In this video for the Beacon Hill Dollhouse construction, I'm going to go over section I, the porch. The pieces are removed and prepared, and I continued the same theme with the white trim and the gray roof. This starts by pre-assembling the porch post and the roof support. There are a lot of pieces to create the post, so it takes some time and patience. After laminating the pieces for the post, I sanded, applied wood filler, and sanded again. This helps to make a more smooth, uniform, and solid looking post. Otherwise, it will have rough surface from the particle board edges. I also use the right angle rigs to help set up the roof support during the assembly. I continued to add the trim pieces to the post and used tape and clamps to secure the pieces while the glue was drying. When it came time to paint the post, I decided to use spray paint to create a finer finish. For this, I punched holes in the bottom of disposable cups and inserted the base in each one of them. This provided an upright position and allowed easy rotation during the painting process. The wood was very porous and took several coats to get a uniform appearance. Looking back on it, I should have first primed this to make the spray painting process easier. I also ended up touching up the post with semi-gloss paint. While the porch support was setting up with the porch roof, I began installing the porch foundation. These pieces generally have single edge that is glued to the underside of the porch, so you have to take some care to keep these in position while the glue is drying. I would have preferred that the kit was designed to have interlocking foundation so that it is just inherently strong. I later added additional wood to provide some foundation support. This will be addressed in another video. When I began attaching the post to the roof support, my roof support was not as square as I would have liked and required some slight force to align the two assemblies. This is where the hand grips came in handy to apply the needed pressure. I also used the clothespins to attach the porch roof trim. Thanks for watching.